Christmas to you 2025. Today we are happy to hand over a house that we have designed in Kiambu County in Croton on a plot over 50 by 100. And this particular design sports a different kind of approach, as we designed a 1-bedroom unit on top of the 4-bedroom unit that is on the ground floor and on the first floor. It also sports an exterior stairway for access to the person who is going to be using the 1-bedroom unit. And walking into the house, on the ground floor, the house sports a lounge, a dining, a kitchen with a pantry, and to the left of the foyer, we do have the first ground floor bedroom, which is ensuite, the stairway to the upstairs, first floor and the second floor, and the rooftop, and as well as the common toilets. And a point to note is that all these are standard finishes. For instance, the only change in the bedroom on the ground floor is only we do have an extra sized wardrobe, which is calculated over and above the construction cost that we have mentioned here. In the kitchen, the extras like the oven, the hood, and as well as the smoke extractor, those are extras. But everything else in this particular kitchen is all based on standard finishes. It is all good vibes, good workmanship, and simply loving what we do. A point to note, the mahogany cladding at the entry of the dining and as well as on the serving window from the kitchen through the dining, those are not part and parcel of the standard finishes, and they are considered as variations or extras. Moving on into the sitting room, the curtains, then also part of what we call variations, and we do have very good tailors who are able to deliver such. In this project, they did exactly what the client wanted. Moving on to the first floor, as you notice, the staircases are a little bit wider, which means the client requested for wider staircases, which proportionally increases the budget of the house because the house gets a little bit bigger. On the first floor, we do have 3 bedrooms, all master and suite. The master bedroom is on this floor and 2 other bedrooms. At the request of the client, in all the washrooms and the bathrooms, we did shower cubicles, and this is what we call variations in cost. On the first floor, we do have 3 bedrooms, all master and suite. The master bedroom is on this floor and 2 other bedrooms. We also went ahead and added a few cabinetry and wardrobes in the master bedroom. On the same floor of the first floor, we do have an upstairs lounge. The rooftop. The house has a one-bedroom unit with an office at the rooftop, designed to be private and as well as connected to the main house. This request was done by the client, and that is why we say we design and build based on client preferences. And as we wrap up the tour, the rooftop, the one bedroom is ensuite. It has a kitchen, a mini kitchen that is all well suited for the person who is going to be using it. And it also comes with an office. This is based on the client's request. It also has a common washroom, which can also be used as an outside toilet for the people who are going to be lounging at the rooftop. Of course, having access to the rooftop through the outside steel staircase. And not forgetting, the house has two laundry areas, one on the rooftop for the person who is using the one bedroom unit, and one on the ground floor for the main house. As we wrap up the tour, thank you for watching, and I can say we are always very grateful for all of you who have shown interest in us and trusting in us, the 47 investment, and we appreciate each and every one of you. To the next project we will showcase for you, and we hope that you will subscribe, like and comment. And remember, positive criticism is what has brought us to where we are. We are encouraged every day by your input. Asanteni sana.